If your color printer suddenly stops printing color or has streaks in it, you need to clean the print head. Fast forward to the end of the video to see how the print head is installed. Reverse the order to take it out. You need rubbing alcohol and a small container to soak it in. First, soak it for a few hours before using a small syringe. Typically, this is the same kind you find in kids' Tylenol. Fill up the syringe with alcohol and flush each of the 5 ports that you see in the print head. And just push hard on it. Eventually, you will see color ink coming out the other side of the print head. Repeat this process probably 20-30 times until you see the print head is clear. Then wash it briefly with water. Let the whole unit dry out for several hours and then reinstall it into your printer. You will have to run the new cartridge with this cleaned print head on a couple of cycles before the ink will flow smoothly. So set it up, go through the maintenance menu, and cycle the print head cleaning process. Do it several times. It should work. Thanks for watching.